Hi everyone, this is Tahir and I'm back with another video. So as you know, the month of Ramadan is going on, so I decided to have a night shift and I have just finished my work. I know I look horrible because I did not sleep for more than more than 24 hours. Yeah, more than 24 hours, and when you don't sleep at night, that is really hard. But anyway, I want to return to topic, and that is about building my career. So to sum up, I started from customer support, from a very normal job, and now I'm at a very good place. I cannot say at a very good place, but yeah, at a good place. But I want to go further in my career. I want to, I want to show people that even if you start your career from very beginning, and you don't have any knowledge like me, I was very, afraid of even computers and how it works, etc. But now I'm decent to work, but I am trying to learn some skills which are future skills and will be very lucrative as well, because I think if we accept the truth, then money is one reason that we want to work. If we get paid well, then it really motivates us, right? So anyway, I just wanted to share with you that I completed AZ 900 in the month of January, on 14th of January to be very precise. And my target was that within next 2 to 3 months I'll complete AZ104. So in case if you do not have idea about this, nothing to worry about, but I just wanted to share that due to procrastination I did not achieve it on time and I'm feeling bad. If I try to justify, then one reason is that although I studied a lot, but that is the issue, that I studied a lot and lot of things, but I did not focus on my actual goal that much. So what I've thought today is that like always I think why I should not use social media to enhance my skill, to challenge myself, even though some people will think I'm sensational and I'm trying to show off. That is fine, let them think. So I have thought that from today onwards I'll start sharing my daily progress of learning on social media. And the reason being, what will be your benefit, you can also follow with me, and I can assure you guys that if you learn a skill like this, so there are few skills. I'll enumerate. First, cloud, then web development, then coding, any programming language, then IVR, or you can say virtual reality, AI. These are some skills which are a bit, I understand, tough. Not all of these, but yes, some of these are tough. But if you are able to learn, then trust me, guys, your future is going to be very, very secure. So if you are not very clear, then you can learn about cloud, what is cloud, how it works, and why it is used, and why you should learn. So one of the reasons I want to learn, or I'm learning cloud, because we do not have to code here, and most of the time even you are paid far well than a coder. Okay, so that is one of the reasons that I'm learning this and I want you to learn. So basically there are three kind of clouds. Actually there are many kinds of cloud, but the main categories are three: GCP, that is Google Cloud, and Azure, which is by Microsoft, and finally AWS, which has the largest market as of now, and that is by AWS is by Amazon Web Service, as you know, by Amazon. So I'm learning Azure because currently Azure is capturing the market more. I think rapidly it is capturing the market. So I'm learning it and I'm preparing for AZ104. But if you are really interested and you want to build your career, then I can start from AZ900. And what is the difference between AZ900 and AZ104? So basically AZ900 is fundamentals, very basic concepts of cloud. Okay, you can learn about it more. You will type AZ, that is Azure, short form of Azure 900. That is, and it is a certification exam you have to prepare by yourself or even by taking class or online instructions, and then you have to appear in the exam. And if you pass the exam, which will be uh, proctored, I mean, someone will be there to notice how you take the exam, whether you write it by yourself or you try to, do in another way these things. and if you pass then you get certified, and then you can go ahead and start preparing for another exam, any exam that you want. Like there are many kind of exams, even you can be a developer, etc., or you can go to database line. There are different career opportunities, but I want to solely focus on cloud, and that is the reason I'm trying to be more serious about it and want to study religiously. So inshallah, I'm thinking to start sharing my daily progress from maybe today, yesterday, or maybe yeah, today. I am starting also my personal blog, my personal website. So maybe I'll do some basic setup today, but yes, I'll do. Actually, one of the reasons that I did not focus on it that much is because it is a bit new and a bit dull, because like most of these concepts are not very clear to me. So instead of doing this, instead of studying cloud, I moved to something else. Like I'm taking some courses on database, on project management, etc., on technical support, on social engineering, these topics. So most of the time I try to shift from this most important my class to another class, and that is an issue. So anyway, I will start thinking about it. You can also suggest me how I can make it more practical. See guys, some people object that, hey Tahir, why do you share, if you study, if you learn, why do you need to share it on social media? The reason being, I think why we th- sorry why we think that social media is only for sharing our photos, where we are going, whom we are dating, or memes. No, social media is sharing for anything. Okay, so why not use it in a better way? Why not to leverage it? So I'm thinking to do that, and you can also join, you can share your thought. And trust me guys, even if you are preparing for government job, I really want you to have a secondary goal. And if you are now in college, or you are going to prepare for 1 to 2 years for government exam or any exam, then having a basic understanding of these concepts will really help you as the secondary option. And trust me, nowadays even there are private jobs which are paying far better than government jobs. And there are a lot of things. Like I'll tell you, you talk about job security, and I don't think that is that much important, because even if I lose a job, alhamdulillah, I am very confident about that by the grace of God I can find another job, another project within or less than a week, or sometimes within a single day. So let's start it, and we'll think about it more practically. Thank you and have a nice day.